let's talk about how much YouTube paid me for this particular video. And why I'm so happy about this particular video is because this particular video has really been doing the job for me right from the day one that this channel is actually monetized. Anyways, hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonny and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. If you're first time tuning in, do what? Subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. Anyways, so I'll just go ahead and start my screen record and share with you guys how much YouTube pay me for this particular video. Like, it go hard make you to pay people this amount for this particular videos or views or something like that. Anyways, this particular video, right? This particular video I did about how to make money on Tango Life. And this particular video is on my second channel, right? So this particular video got just 16,000 views. 16,000 views, and you can see the audience retention of this particular video is 3 minutes 24 seconds. So let's click on the reach of this particular video. If it's dot dash, so let's wait. Now this particular video has an impression of 153.1k impression, and you can see that this particular video, how viewers found this video: YouTube search, external, suggested video, browser, and don't tell me. Now external site or app, you can see Google search, Chrome, and WhatsApp. You can see YouTube search terms, Tango, which is the app. How to use Tango. Tango earn money app. You understand? Tango app earn money. Now, you can see content that is also suggesting this particular video. They are all content mostly relating to Tango, right? Now, let's go to the engagement of this particular video. This particular video got a watch time of 918, and yeah, so this particular video gave me an audience retention of 3.24, which is every single person that clicked on this video watched at least 3 minutes 24 seconds. And this particular video, let's go to the audience of this video. Now for the audience of this video, let's wait for it to load, guys. Network, please do not do this to me. Like, you don't need to do this now. Like you, bro. This particular video has 0 unique viewer, and that is the amazing part about this video, but I don't know where the revenue is coming from. Anyways, you can see the audience here, and you can see viewers also watch my videos, like all of my videos. I don't need to be mentioning the one after the other. Now let's go ahead and see how much this video has generated. This video has generated $93.84, just a video of 16,000 views. Like, your regular no Phoebe. Your regular cannot. Like, 16,000 views. This video has $93.84. Like, when I saw it, I was like, oh, jeez, are you for real? $93.84. Now, this video has watched for video performance. Every 1K view of this video make $5.82. Now, how much advertisers are paying on this particular video is $11.02. Mind you, this video, like, I don't even know when I even, like, I cannot even remember when last I uploaded this video. But this video has been one of the videos that is also helping this particular account to, like, get something every single month. You understand? When Vibe with Sonia was not even doing well, this particular account is one account that is helping Vibe with Sonia to, like, cash out. Now you can see earning by skippable, display bomber, and so on and so forth. Now the good part again I love about this particular YouTube is you're not only earning through work page ad, but YouTube Premium at least pays you, and I have 0.2 when it comes to the YouTube Premium. Now if we go to the overview of this video, let me see. For 16,000, you can see 16,000. This particular video alone has given me 192 subscribers. Like 192 subscribers is personally coming from this particular video. Like, I'm grateful. See the days that I've uploaded this video, 984 days ago. That's like over 2 years. That's like over 2 years now. Am I wrong or right? Let me know in the comment section. And this is why you see that. See, YouTube, let me end this live stream. See, this is one thing I keep telling people, right? And that is the beautiful part about YouTube, that your content still keep earning for you. Imagine a content of over 2 years. It still keep doing the job in as much as you do not violate YouTube rules and regulation, like your channel is not deleted or something like that. And that is why I will still keep telling you, as a content creator that I've been on YouTube for the past 4 years, if you're still snoozing and you're still sitting down, folding your arms and looking at your YouTube channel without putting that thing called compassion to say, okay, this thing, I really want to make something out of this, you're missing out. You're missing out. A lot of people that just started yesterday, they've gone far. Some persons have channels of 5 years, 8 years, 3 years, 4 years, but they just forgot about the channel. When you see people keep pushing on YouTube, it's not because they just want to push. It is because of what they know that they are going to be gaining on YouTube. A lot of content creators right now, even on the, Facebook, they are diving down to YouTube right now. You understand? So YouTube pays. It pays. YouTube did not only pay, and that's the joy about YouTube for me. It did not only pay. I did not only get just this amount. Sponsorship videos, Kwanu. The community and family you're building from this place as well. You understand? So if you do not have any reasons at all to film content, this should be like a reason for you. This should be like a motivation for you, that you can go to sleep, do less work, and still get something out of YouTube. And that is why I will never, hear me where I will never stop preaching YouTube. YouTube is what every single person, even if you're sleeping, I can wake you in the street. If you see me, if I go to salon, I tell my salon people, I'm not going to do YouTube. If you see me in church, I'm not going to do YouTube. Because I feel like this is one of the gifts I can just give people freely. You're making your money, I'm making my money. I'm not taking from you, you're not taking from me. You understand? So talk more of you that is watching Vibe with Sonia. Because for you to see this particular video and you're seeing me talking, it simply means you are watching Vibe with Sonia. If nobody should motivate you, Vibe should motivate you. If nobody should motivate you, somebody like me should be able to tell you that it is for you. It is for you. I did it with the help of God. I did it with the help of God. I never had anybody on the street. So that should not be an elastic measure of, oh, I don't have anybody on the street. Oh, I don't do this. I don't do that. I keep telling people, even if you see Vibe with Sonia one-on-one, even if you see me one-on-one, I can only help you and show you the strategies that work. But it is still your job to pull out your content every single day. It is still your job to make sure that you're telling yourself that I'm not giving up on this place and I'm going to make sure I achieve what I want to achieve. Because if at the end of the day you're not doing it, I cannot help you. I cannot help you. I can only do my part. You are going to do your part. And then God will do the remaining one. So don't leverage just your content on, I'm creating just short videos alone. I'm creating just this video alone. If it is not this particular video, I will not create. Don't leverage it on that. If long form is not working for you, create short videos. If short form is not working for you, create live stream videos. If live stream is not working for you, create long form videos. There is no way you're doing these 3 things on your channel that one will not work out for you. That means they do you from your village. If this one did not work, one must work. One thing must work out on your channel. One thing. And that is why you need to put your focus, you need to put your mind, you need to put your spirit, soul, and body the same way you are doing this your normal daily 9-to-5 job. The same way you are rushing to your bank job or every other institution that you're going to go and work. The same way you're putting a schedule for them and you'll be like, oh, I need to sleep early. Monday is tomorrow and I need to pick up my bag and start going to work. That is the same way you should also be doing YouTube. And trust me, you will definitely not regret it. You see this YouTube, I mount here, I go nowhere. Even if I get 2 views, I mount. Even if I get 7 views, I mount. Even if I get 200, I mount. The most important thing is as long as I'm getting views, I do not have any issue. I will still get something out of YouTube. And I know that definitely you too that is watching me, you'll be motivated and you still start getting something out of YouTube. Anyways, if you have not subscribed, subscribe, like this, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. If you have any video you want me to film for you, let me know in the comment section. I'm going to go ahead and film that video for you to the glory of God and then to the shame of the devil. Anyways, do you want our coaching section? If you want our coaching section, you will see the mail on the screen for 3195@gmail.com, where we personally go into trying to see what is happening, what is not happening, what we can minus, what we can add, so that at the end of the day, me and you will definitely achieve success. Subscribe, like this, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. And yes, Bye. I'll see you guys in my next one.
Yay!